Hi, I'm Vasco. Thank you very much for watching my arrangement till the very end. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And if you want to learn this arrangement, just go in the link in the description where you can find a full-length tutorial step by step and also interactive tabs which you can play with, you can slow down, you can loop certain sections. It's really the best place to learn fingerstyle arrangement. So yeah, thank you. Bye.